Hi guys, this is Rohit from Salesforce Jungle. Hope you're doing great and hope you're learning and earning good. So basically in this video we'll be discussing about offer letter. कुछ भी डिस्कस करने से पहले एक फोटो आपको दिखाना चाहता हूँ. या फोटो देखिए स्क्रीन के ऊपर. देखिए आपने फोटो. ये जो फोटो है ये जब हम ऑफर लेटर डालते हैं किसी का 10 लाख का, किसी का आया, किसी का 12 का आया, किसी का 13, एवरेज 9 से 12 के बीच में होता है ऑफर लेटर. तो बहुत सारी जनता डिस्टर्ब हो जाती है उस ऑफर लेटर को देख के. मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा कि वो जेलस हो जाते हैं या फिर there is a point of friction between their mindset and our mindset. I want to tell you something. How this particular number comes to us. But how these students who are getting 12 lakh, 13 lakh, 11 lakh, 10 lakh, 9 lakh offer letters. Many students who are watching these videos might be experienced, might not be experienced. First of all, I want to tell you whichever offer letter number rises from more than 6.5 to 7 lakh. That is experience offer letter. What do you mean by experience offer letter? Student studies from us and get that particular offer letter. How he or she is experienced? That is the question, right? I have explained this particular thing in many videos. I want to categorize this video into 3 segments. First segment is how to display your experience in your CV. Second segment, how to manage your skill set in your CV and project display in the CV. Third segment, how to ask or negotiation, how to do negotiation with the company, and so that any HR will not play any particular dirty role in your offer letter. So by these 3 things, our student managed to get multiple offer letter and a good offer letter from the multiple companies. This is very common sense thing to use your experience, tech experience. So you might have seen 10 year experience guy, 18 year experience guy in the IT are getting on high package of 1 crore, 70 lakh, 80 lakh. It's very common. How they're getting that package? How they are managing to get that particular number? Many students get frustrated by watching these type of screenshot of 12 lakh, 13 lakh, 14 lakh. It's very common sense in IT who knows how IT works, and very stupidity to ask whether this is a fresher or not. I want to tell you one thing before starting this. I posted this particular picture on LinkedIn, and one 8x certified Salesforce developer asked me how a fresher got this offer. This is very stupid question ever asked to me. Being a 8x certified developer, Salesforce developer, I want to ask you, do you think she's a fresher and got this particular package? No. Or never. Never ever. There is very rare case when student get 9 to 10 lakh package and that is fresher or that is administrator. That rare case happens when any US companies give them offer. Let's suppose you got hired in India and you have been paid in a US dollars. In that case, your package might be between 9, 10, 11, 12. That is true for administration, for support, or for anything that is non-technical part. Like you can say how many offers I get. We got almost 3 to 4 for you can say maximum 5 offer in a year. 3, 4 or 5, maximum 5 offer in a year. These type of offer, like that students who get this offer have some skills called very good communication. Very good communication with the foreign companies, very good communication with, they might have internal links in the company. There is a chances. And the third thing, they might have a huge experience in a consultancy, in analytics, on a non-technical field, and already have a package of 7 to 8 lakh. That is the reason they got 13 lakh in a non-technical stream like a administration and a support. This is possible in this case only, but not in the case when you are a fresher, or not in the case even your experience in any technology with like certain years of 1 to 2 or 3 years. Then how we get that 13 to 15 lakh package with the 2 to 3 years? How it is possible? Basically use your common sense to show your experience. In every video that I have made previously, I have told you how you will able to manage your experience. If you're working in IT and you're working in a support, you're working as a Java developer, you're working as a front-end developer, back-end developer, tester, anything you're working in a IT company, you should know how to manage the experience and how to manipulate your CV. If you say it is a fake thing, this is the fake experience, no, nothing is fake. If you write, I have a 2 experiences Java and I have a 1 experience in Salesforce, they will give you almost 10 to 13 lakh package. But the point here is, one point is, first of all, you need to show your Java project that you have done. That is the first point that I've told you. The second point in the ratio, that you have to show your project in the previous technology that they are asking for. Second, you have to show project of Salesforce as well. That project is also valid, that you might have learned from your brother, from your sister, or from any company, or from individual you got any project, or any training center, or any sir or sister, whatever, whosoever has given you any project. You have to mention that project, at least two Salesforce project, at least two project of previous technology. And whenever you're negotiating, the third point that I want to tell you, how to negotiate. So whenever you're mentioning the project, how to mention the project into CV. First of all, within 3 lines, explain what is the project all about. This is the project of, let's suppose, tool company. This is the project of real estate. This is the project of food industry. This is the project of schooling, or college management, study management, something. In after that, after writing the theory of that, what challenges you have faced in that particular project, what all things you have done in that particular project, how much time you consume to tackle any problem. And don't simple write, I have created a triggers, I have created a flows, I have created a test classes. Nobody's gonna see this. Nobody's gonna see this. You just need to specify what trigger you have written, what kind of automation you have written, what kind of VF page or LWC component you have created. That matters a lot. So that interview will see your project and ask the question. In the previous technology, let's suppose you were in testing, let's suppose you're in Java, let's suppose like multiple technology you might have worked in, you have to specify that particular thing very specifically in your CV. That is the first point. So one more thing I want to tell you, that whenever you are showcasing the 3 years, 4 years, 5 year experience into the CV, make sure whatever skill set you have added of your previous technology and the current Salesforce technology, you should know each and everything of whatever you mentioned in your CV. Because the only face that you have as a technical guy in the interview for the interviewer is your CV. If you're not able to communicating whatever you have written into a CV to your interviewer, you are done with the interview, and they will not give you desired salary what they are expected from you. That is the very crucial point that many students lacks in, and nobody improves their CV. Very crucial point. This is very good point. So whenever we are giving interviews, no, we are just giving it one after another, one after another, one after. We are not improving our CV. Many students face issues when they are not improving CVs according to the job description given. You will be highly rejected by the MNCs and the American MNCs, because American, Canadian, or Australian MNCs, they want a specific desired skill that has been mentioned in the job description. In Indian MNC, there might be some mistake, but they don't do mistakes, So that is the biggest thing. And where we get this particular package, we usually get this from American MNCs. If somebody is hiring someone with a 2 year experience, like Mrinali we are talking about, so she is 2.5 something of experience, and she got 2 packages that we have not even highlighted on the social media. We will be highlighting soon. So I just want to tell you, getting package is not important. Third phase is very important, that is negotiation. Many students got disappointed when there is negotiation. They just adjust whatever HR is saying. So HR is one of the clever element when it case of hiring, because they have to think for the company, they have to think for the position. The first thing that HR is looking for: multiple hiring, good hiring, and negotiation skills. This is one of the key point where you will be lacking 100%. And many students from many segment, I heard that I am working here for 4 years, I've been working on only 10 10 lakh, 15 lakh something. That is very less in this particular time period. I just want to tell you, when you're negotiating, how to negotiate your skill set, how to negotiate on your time period, how to negotiate on whatever the previous offer you got. So when you are applying for the first job, first get the one offer letter. If you're 2 years and 3 years experience, get the one offer letter. Every time you have seen my screenshot, have you seen something? Have you observed something? The first offer letter is always 7.5. First offer letter is always 8.5 or 7 lakhs. It is not more than that. Then that student goes to almost 13-14 lakhs. How? Because of the negotiation. So let's suppose you have a 3 months of relieving period from the existing company. So how to negotiate on that basis? First, tell them that I have almost 45 days or 2 months of relieving period. Get the offer letter, whatever first offer letter you get. Don't take less offer letter, more than it should be at least 6 to 7 or 7.5 lakhs. That should be your first offer letter at any cost. From any company, small company, big company, MNC, whatever company it is, take only one offer letter of something around 6.5, 7.5. The first offer letter you got, immediately apply for the multiple companies. Immediately apply. Then apply for somehow to the mid-level companies or product-based companies. They will be giving you high package, like they will increase it up to 3 lakhs or 6 lakhs. Then show that particular offer to the previous company who has given you 7 lakh, that I got 10 lakh package. If you are going to increase my package to 11 lakh, then I'll join. So there will be conflict between the offer letters, right? Then take another package. If that company agrees to give you 11 lakhs or 12 lakhs, take that package to the third company and do negotiate with them. That is how negotiation work, guys. Don't give a single pie to any HR if they're looking for. And if you're telling we are family, we are this, we are, no one is family here. Everything is business. If you tell me, okay, tell me the billing of the project that is going on with the certain company you have, tell me the amount, how much billing you're charging. They might be charging $500 per hour, but how much you are getting? Not even $5, guys. So make sure whenever you're negotiating with the companies, do negotiate with the strong hands and do ask for the money that you're looking for. And don't go beyond that. Like if you go beyond 15 lakh, 18 lakh, and some companies gives you 15 lakh, 18 lakh, 20 lakh, 24 lakhs, and you are not capable of handling that particular package, of course you will collapse and company will throw you out within a couple of days. And there is a policy within provision period, they can throw you out from the company. So make sure when you're negotiating, negotiation should be in the good number but should not exceed the value that you can't able to handle it. So that is the big point here. So I think every guy who is posting that, okay, this is that experience, this is fake experience, nothing is fake here, guys. Everything, every candidate who has gap, every candidate who has previous technology experience, every candidate who is already working in a big MNC and with low package and working on the multiple technologies, they can transform their career into Salesforce, AWS, and many cloud technologies. They need not to worry and get the almost 3x, 4x growth in their existing salary. There is no doubt in that. And even companies are ready to pay. Why they're ready to pay? Because in the market, there is very less, I'm telling you, there is very less people who know these technologies. Even for the Salesforce, companies are telling they don't know. People who are already working, they might be gone through this and that way, so they don't know the Salesforce, they don't know the AWS, they don't know many cloud technologies that are existing. But the problem here is the cloud technology like Kubernetes, AWS, Salesforce, these are very rare technologies, very few developers, and people are not learning it. Trust me, people are not learning it because these are hard to learn. This is also truth. Many student ignores it because in Salesforce, what all things are there? First of all, you need to learn one generic language like Java, HTML, CSS, SQL. These are the 4 languages you want to learn. It's very simple to say Java, HTML. It takes almost 2 months to cover all these things, 3 months to cover all these things. Then for administration, you have to learn. Then development, Visual Force, Apex, LWC components, JavaScript, integration, all these things, 8 to 9 things. Yes, it's hard to learn, but of course, it's gonna pay you a reward. If somebody is learning 9 technologies, it's gonna pay off. It's gonna pay off at the end of the day. I am telling you, you have to start it. Starting is very difficult, but when the journey goes on, it's very smooth. And yes, reward is in front of you. So if you can't learn it, you will tell everything is fake. If I buy Ferrari tomorrow, you will say he's a corrupt guy. If I'll be a MP tomorrow or a prime minister tomorrow, no, he is a corrupt guy. So every successful guy is a corrupt. Every successful job is a fake job for you if you're not working on your skills, guys. Make sure you work on your skills. Don't see others. So make sure you see that picture before commenting on anyone's offer letter. Do learn from this video. Rather than hating me, rather than hating somebody else, rather than hating people who is around you. Many students, my brother got 10 lakh package, my brother got 20 lakh package, I am not getting anything. Why are you hating your brother? What are the wordings? I want to get 15 lakh, I want to get 20 lakhs, or how can you? Why should I feel very bad about you. You have very small, small thought process. Why are you thinking of 20 lakhs? Why don't you think of 1 crore? The only thing is you want to get more package than your brother, not somebody like, working in like as a director. You don't want to be a director. You don't want to be educated. You just want money because you want an upper hand from your brother. You want an upper hand from your sister. That's all you want. And you are not capable of it. The only thing is the point of, friction that you have. Lose this point. This is very small things. Try to learn, try to grab things rather than watching other people successful. Watch yourself what you are doing. Thank you guys, and hope you like this video. And if you like this video, do hit the like button and do share it with the people who feel they can do it and they can do it very well, and who feel they are sitting on very low package and want to do something bigger in the industry and want to learn some new skills. Do appreciate this video, do subscribe, and do comment if you feel I'm right, if you feel I have given you the right, guidance. I never give bad guidance, or I don't educate bad to the people. I came to this platform to educate you, okay, more than entertainment. So entertainment is go hands in hand. Like this video. Thank you guys for watching this video.